To close more leads, you must find an effective way to impress potential clients and show your value. This is what separates the top real estate agents from others. It is time to stop having shallow chats with potential clients and start delivering detailed real estate listing presentations. You don't have to worry if you don't know how to make one. In this video, I will teach you how to deliver an engaging real estate listing presentation. First, let's define what is a real estate listing presentation. A real estate agent presents a listing presentation to a property seller. It shows the property seller the agent's selling process and why they should be hired. You can make a real estate listing presentation with presentation software like PowerPoint or print a booklet. Creating a listing presentation. You won't get to make the same listing presentation to a prospective client twice. So, you must make a good impression and market your services excellently. Our experts have put this step-by-step guide together to help you make the most of your listing appointment. Step 1. A short intro. Don't dive straight into the details of the selling process. Start your listing with a short introduction to tell your potential client who you are and what you have achieved. Sellers are more eager to hire agents that are confident in their abilities. So, which of your skills do you think will impress your audience the most? These skills can be anything that helps you sell your clients' properties fast. What's your unique value proposition? Do you design beautiful ads? Or maybe you are the smoothest talker around? How good are your property photography skills? Additionally, you can tell prospective clients about your record in the area. What's your sales record? How does it compare to other real estate agents? How well does your final sales price compare to your listing price? Check link below for cutest presentation templates. Step 2. Explain your sales process and pricing strategy. Several sellers know little about the selling process and pricing strategy. Hence, it would be best to consider first-time sellers when creating your presentation. Explain the entire process so there won't be any surprises in the future. Let them know what to expect from you and what you need them to do to ensure a smooth sale. Consider fitting all of these into one slide to keep things simple. Step 3. Provide a comparative market analysis. A comparative market analysis is a vital part of a real estate pitch. This analysis helps agents to show their knowledge about the real estate business in an area. Examples of data you can show include the number of seasonal sales, median price points, annual sales, speed of sales, and other local market statistics. You can also use your data to tell a story. For instance, you can tell a prospective client how an unrenovated property spent several weeks on the market. You can also show a well-renovated property sold fast and above market value. Step 4. Marketing strategy. Property sellers hire a real estate professional because they believe you can sell their properties fast and get them a reasonable price. Hence, they will want to know your marketing strategy. How do you market your listings? Do you sell them on social media or distribute flyers? Maybe you use a combination of both? What photography style do you use? Do you hold open houses? What websites do you use? You don't need to give a detailed explanation of the entire process. Just provide enough information to boost the seller's confidence in you. Step 5. Talk about your brokerage. If you work with a brokerage, you should see its benefits. What makes your brokerage stand out from others? How will it add value? Do you have any ongoing promo? What's your brokerage's history in the area? Step 6. Testimonials. People make decisions based on others' opinions. Hence, testimonials can be the final push a client needs toward conversion. Show potential sellers what your previous clients had to say about your services. Ensure you add their names and pictures to their testimonies to make them real. It would help if you also made your testimonials available online. Step 7. Ask and answer questions. Wrap up your listing presentation with a short question and answer session. Allow your clients to ask questions about your services or the selling process. You can also ask some questions to create a connection and build trust. You may ask them why they are selling, where they will be moving to, their remaining mortgage payments, etc. follow each pro tip in this guide to deliver a killer listing presentation. If you are making a PowerPoint presentation, you don't have to build your listing presentation from scratch. Save time and energy with our listing presentation template. Just visit www.simpleslides.co/blog for more real estate listing presentation templates. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.